Hi, I'm Sean Doherty. Welcome to the Home Bartender. Got a great tropical drink, a nice rum drink for you. It isn't frozen. I'm going to introduce you to a Yellowbird. What we're going to need for this is white rum, coconut rum, cream de banana, orange juice, and lemon lime soda. And we're going to build this in a highball glass. And what I need is 1 ounce of white rum, ½ ounce of coconut rum, ½ ounce of cream de banana. Say that 10 times real quick. Fill it up to about a ½ inch from the top with lemon lime soda, and then you put a splash of orange juice in there. Stir it up, and there you have a Yellowbird. Nice refreshing drink for the summertime. If you want to know more about our drinks, you can check out our blog site at SeanTheBartender.com. If you want to know a drink of the day, every day, that coincides with the history of the day, come check out my Facebook page at facebook.com/SeanTheBartender. And please subscribe here. I look forward to seeing you again. And until next time, cheers.